Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find any games on a Google Play Store in Android 14 smartphones. And to do this, here's my Google Play Store. Let's try finding some games like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for. And to fix this issue, we'll need to go back. Here in the home page, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Head on to your settings, enter Family, then Parental Controls. Now you can either disable Parental Controls entirely with this switch, or select Apps and Games, enter your PIN code, and increase PG to 16. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and if you've tried to find the game again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.